We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.
Hi everyone, it's Akaya
and her Nana, two cool science chicks. Okay, Akaya, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to be making bubbles.
Okay, so making bubbles. Did you know that there's science in making bubbles?
Yeah, there's basically science in everything. Like there's science in how this bowl was made, for example.
Okay, well I guess
I don't know the science, but I know it's science.
Well, you can research it. Okay, all right. So why don't you tell the folks what we need?
Well, first you're gonna need this dish soap, which is pretty obvious.
Okay.
Then you're also gonna need the same amount of water. We did 1/4 of a cup, which is 60 milliliters.
Okay.
It has to be the same amount of water as dish soap. So
okay.
Yeah. So you can do as much as you want. It just has to be the same amount as dish soap to water. So.
Okay, got it.
Then also you're gonna need bottled waters, and we went ahead and cut the bottom off this.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we did 2. Then you're gonna need rubber bands or hair ties, too.
Okay.
Then 2 towels.
Okay, all right. And these are kind of like I don't know, like a dishcloth or something. Okay, all right. So go ahead and get yours ready. Here, you want it?
Yay! She made it for me.
These are some flimsy bottles.
I mean, they have a bottom on it, so I mean, of course they're gonna be bendy.
And make sure you take the lid off of that. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, Kaya, I'm gonna move this out of the way. What are we going to do? Well, the water's in there. Remember?
Oh,
yeah. She forgot that we did it ahead of time. So there's already water and dish soap in there.
Why would you put water over here? You're just gonna confuse me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. What are we doing?
Dip.
Okay, dip. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, that sure is a lot. Okay, so take some. Wait a minute. We've got to go outside for this because this is about to get messy. We'll be back.
What's fun messing up the kitchen?
We'll be back.
That's science.
The science of bubbles. A bubble is a layer of water that is being sandwiched together by 2 layers of soap. This pairing creates a pocket of air in the middle, which allows the bubble to form and to float.
So we're back. Now, do you see how easy that was to make that? You know, you just have things in your house, water, dish soap, probably water bottles, dishcloth. So, okay, all right. So, Akaya, I know I didn't want you to do it in here, but let me see.
No.
Let me see.
Don't pass out now. You know you're old.
Oh, wow, look at that. Whoa.
And look at this.
No.
Watch this.
Oh my gosh.
That's what happens when you don't let me do something, then you do it.
Whatever. You want to do it in the house?
Yeah, I want to do it in the house.
Over there. Okay, don't go too far out of the frame.
Just gonna put this up.
Okay.
Okay, scroll now.
Okay. Good.
Oh my gosh, I'm lightheaded. Hold on.
Okay, well, I thought that was super fun, you know, making bubbles. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should do that with Kingston. He would like it. Yeah.
Eat them.
Well, he's only 4. So, you know, how
I do
4 years.
that.
Yeah, you should do it with him. Okay, well, we hope you enjoyed that. And if you would like to see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Two Cool Science Chicks. And you can hit the like button if you liked this video. So, you can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until then, kids,
Stay cool, reach for stars, always believe in yourself, and never stop questioning.
I didn't even, that's not clean water. Joking.
Hello.
Oh my.
We're two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it. Two cool science chicks. It don't make no sense. Two cool science chicks. You know it, you know it.